masasabi mo? Nandito ka na.
Nag-vlog ka na naman.
Oo, nahihiya ka, no?
Oo, nahihiya ka. Pero masaya na naging emotional. Diyos.
For how many years?
Hindi ko na alam how many years na. Marami na pinagbago siguro. Makikita natin mamaya. Bye! Bali ngayon, isi-celebrate natin yung Foundation Day. Pero umpisa natin to with a mass. Let us serve the Lord with joy. It has been 17 years since I graduated, and it is my second time visiting my second home, the Sisters of Mary School in Girlstown. Father Aloysius Philip Swartz, a devoted priest of the Virgin of the Poor, founded the Sisters of Mary School and Brothers of Christ. The said school is the home of children from the poorest of the poor families who cannot afford to send their children to school due to poverty. The school was able to help these children find shelter and equip them with love, knowledge, skills, and even their spiritual needs. The Sisters of Mary School continues to grow its family from different countries including Korea, the Philippines, Mexico, Guatemala, Brazil, Honduras, and Tanzania. I am grateful enough that I was able to visit again, and there are a lot of changes. This is proof that the works and miracles of Father Al continues and is going stronger. We, the children of Father Al, are the living miracles of his great deeds, dedicating his life, serving God, through serving the poorest of the poor, and fulfilling the message of the Virgin of the Poor, of relieving suffering. bakasyon na nakabalik ulit ako dito sa second home ko. Dito ako hinubog, lumaki, kinupkop para lang makapag-aral na libre. Siyempre, dami kong na-miss dito. Mga mother, sister ko, batchmate ko, mga dormmates ko na hindi ko nakita ngayon. Sana sa susunod kita-kita tayo. Ayan lang. Masaya ako. Kasi naipakilala ko din ang asawa ko kay Father Al.
Ayan. Baka may gusto kang pasalamatan sa mga nagplano o nag-organize para matuloy itong event na to. Baka may gusto kang batiin dyan o pasalamatan. Ayan.
Salamat dun sa mga taong tumulong, sa Suyo chapter, Sisters of Mary Suyo chapter, Canton, and kay Auntie Millet, though hindi siya nakapunta, at least gumawa pa rin siya ng paraan para may masakyan kami, para maka-attend din kami ditong foundation day natin. Ayan. Thank you. Ay, kay Kuya Job pala. Thank you, Kuya.
Kaya sa lahat po ng nakasama po namin sa biyahe, maraming salamat po at soon, sana magkakasama ulit tayo sa biyahe. Pupunta po dito sa Silang, Cavite.
Thank you.
Ingat po tayong lahat. God bless.
Bye. Serve the poor in the name of Christ is not a game. It is not play acting, nor is it child's play. It means constant pain, discomfort, humiliation, suffering, and sacrifice. In a word, it means the cross. Venerable Aloysius Philip Swartz.